What's up, you guys? It's Saturday. Woohoo! It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 7:30 a.m. and I was doing some packaging of orders because I just launched the Luscious Lip Gloss and it's doing very well and I'm super excited. Anyways, today's Saturday, and from yesterday, Friday, my day off, I did so much stuff in the house that my house is a mess. So we got things right here. We got things on the couch, which I usually never have because I have designated areas for those things. But I just couldn't get around to it yesterday because I was just so exhausted. I have my makeup vanity that needs to be cleaned. It's a whole mess. Like, shooting content is not easy. So this is from the Reels. Ooh, orders coming in. Y'all heard that. This is from the Instagram Reels and all that. Here's me. I gotta go back and organize some of my beauty products. I have a few little dishes, nothing major, just a couple cups because I had some drinks last night. I had a drink. I have to clean up my bed. I'm actually gonna go try to look for a new bed set. I have a whole pile of things here that is for a skincare video that I'm going to be recording, but I'm waiting to get my hair done in faux locks so that I could pull it all the way back because I have on a lace wig right now and my faux locks appointment is next week. So I'm going to wait until I have that hairstyle to film my skincare video. I just feel like it'll be better so I can get all the way up in my skin. I can't do that with this lace right here. I have the tub soaking in Ajax and bleach. You know how we do. Super exciting. But yeah, orders coming in. I'm super happy. And yeah, I don't even know where to freaking start. You know, I'm gonna start in the beauty room because I never start in the beauty room. And then I'll package those orders that just came in. I love just having my windows open. Let me throw this outfit on real quick. Alright, while that's drying, we're gonna go clean off the living room couch. Stop and take my vitamins. So I've been taking 2 hair, skin, and nail vitamins every day, and then 2 women's health vitamins. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Yes, I take the gummies because these are more practical for me, especially when I'm in a rush in the morning. So I ain't got time to go find water. I do got water bottle on my bed, but still. So I take 2 of each. And I buy them from Walgreens because they're always on sale. Vitamins are always on sale at Walgreens. I got this little shower scrubber from Amazon. I don't like it that much because I want this to be bigger because you're doing a lot of back and forth movement. But the only good thing about it is it extends so you don't have to bend down as much. But I prefer something bigger. All right, let's get scrubbing. Doing, just scrubbing up my tub. Yeah, I'm the only one that uses it, obviously, so it doesn't get that dirty. I got my cleaning gloves. No, these, yes, they are kitchen gloves, but I only use them to clean. So yeah, I got these from, I believe, Burlington. We're about to do the toilet, the sink, and then move on to the guest bathroom. So I got my bleach on here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of fabuloso. We're cleaning the bottom of the toilet. If you don't do that, I don't know what you're doing. You need to clean the bottom half of your toilet, okay? It is necessary to clean that, okay? Just, if you go to somebody's house and that bottom part of their toilet isn't clean, that's all I'm gonna say. There's germs and stuff down there too, so make sure you get a nice cloth, bleach it, and get that bottom half of that toilet. It only takes about 2 minutes. The people who, anybody who moves in after me is gonna be happy because I keep my junk very clean. Even like the stove and stuff, so. All right, we're gonna go do the guest bathroom. I'm not gonna show that on camera because I'm tired and I need some water. I bought this little guy from Hobby Lobby just for my sink. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that. Get that rim nice and sparkly. I have bleach and Ajax in the sink. Get it all up in those crevices. This little guy is nice. I need to go get another one. All right, this is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and drain that and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so the cleaning of the entire apartment is done. Now we are packaging all of these BerryFae beauty orders. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just took a quick little, that wasn't quick, it was about 15-minute mental break and I just sat on the couch. So we're about to go ahead and package all of those orders on this table down at the countertop. I'm so excited, I'm so blessed. I mean, this is a dream come true, like for real. So we're gonna do this and I'm gonna go in the shower, take a shower, get dressed, and then we're gonna head outside the house. It's now 11 o'clock, so I'm still on schedule for my day. I planned on being out the house at noon, 12, so we're right on schedule. All right, so I'm finally leaving the house. I'm heading to a baby shower, so this is my little outfit. I got on this suede black and gold Adidas hat, my pretty little thing top, some black jeans, black and gold belt, my Tory Burch sandals. Here's my makeup. I am wearing shortcake lip liner and cinnamon roll lip gloss. And yeah, we about to head out. I'm heading to the store to go get a gift. And yeah, here's pretty little thing messaging me right now so I can go shop. Here's my outfit in the mirror. Sometimes it takes this camera too long to focus and I don't really like that. But yeah, I put this hat on last minute and I think it looks really nice with this outfit. Chill vibe. So yeah, that's what we're wearing. Cute. I need to hurry up and go. And I need to go, have already picked up the gift. Let me go. Stop playing games with my keys in. I cannot find my, my clicker that I was using yesterday to take my pictures. Probably in my car. Oh, cute. Forgot my freaking phone. Just the hot mess. It better be right on the bed. Oh my gosh, my phone was in my butt. I didn't even feel it. That's what I get for being so thick. Hot. All right. We are heading to probably Walmart, I think. It's the closest thing, thinking it was cool.
$1 cash giveaway
Why did I just turn my car off? All right, I gotta turn the camera off so I can listen to some of my music so I don't get copyright infringement. All right, see y'all. Y'all, I can't have no baby anytime soon. I will be spending so much money on my children. Oh my gosh. This stuff, look at this. Cute little bib. So cute. Like, my baby is gonna be styling and profiling and breaking the bank. Let me get out of here. Hey guys, wow, I'm super zoomed in. Even more zoomed in, hold on. All right guys, we are about to get started with our day. Today is Friday. Today is, wow, why is my camera so zoomed in, you guys? There we go. So today is a Friday. Today, there's no school today, so I am getting some things done, and I'm gonna get them done for real. So right now I'm on my way to a doctor's appointment. I'm all dressed up. I have this dress on that I haven't worn in a very long time. This morning I did the photo shoot for the new lip glosses that launched on my website. I'm carrying 2 with me so I can take Snapchats and stories throughout the day. I'm actually late, but oh well. They usually have me waiting for a long time anyways. So we are heading to our doctor's appointment. I am going to get my annual women's checkup. Oh, what fun. Ladies, it's important to get checked, okay? Even if you ain't doing nothing, just go get checked, because our bodies just need that extra tender loving care. And just grab a snack. Just grab 2 gummies. I'm such a kid. But yeah, I feel good. I look good. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I'll see you guys when I get to the doctor's. All right, so we made it to the doctor's. There's the building right there. I'm already late. I'm 20 minutes late, actually. 21 minutes, but they'll be all right, because listen, the last time I came, I was waiting for about 20 minutes. So hopefully when I'm walking in there, they'll be actually ready for me.
Two times on the beat, man.
All right, let's go. All done. All right, we are all done. I feel like those ladies, as ladies, they should know how uncomfortable it is to get a pap, but they make it seem like we have no reason to be uncomfortable. Like, ma'am, you're about to be in my insides, okay? But yep, all done. Make sure you guys take care of your body, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are taking care of your bodies. It's not just about looks, but also about health. Make sure you are healthy inside and out. Inside and out. All right, I am so, am I hungry? Not really. Oh, my head is killing me. All right, so, oh, battery dying. Let's go, guys.